Savings is a habit of preserving a portion of the income that will be used in future. There are many reasons to make a savings, such as buying a house, taking a trip, enjoying a good retreat, or simply attending to the unforeseen. Everything you crave is the best motivation to save some of what you incur, whether by salary or rent. So if you have your cell phone full of gaming apps, social media or music, it's also good to open a space for a tool that will help you with managing personal finances. This is an application where goal savings are applied for a certain time. With this personal business manager, you can save money in different ways, such as weekly automatic savings, rounding, or reminders. It has case animations to make good financial decisions. You can learn how to manage your debts and calculate your expenses. The main objective is to offer you an easy access, fun, and playful tool that allows you to understand the importance of good money management. Measures income and expenses according to the items, food, clothing, housing, among others. On a case chart, you were able to monitor what you use your money on. Syncing using Google Drive or Dropbox. You can link cards from all banks, set saving goals, relate expenses. Wallet helps you plan and track your budget and expenses flexibly, so you can take control and achieve your goals. You can actively plan and manage your finances, multiple currencies, banks, and financial institutions.